It's not uncommon for couples to have misunderstandings that deteriorate into verbal sparring and accusations. To overcome these challenges, couples need to develop good communication habits early in the relationship. The following pointers are offered to help a man foster better communication with the woman he loves. Number 1. Think before you speak. Before you say something to your wife that you will regret later, think. Do your best to choose the right words to say, in the right place, at the right time. Number 2. Don't use intimidating body language. Nonverbal body language can communicate many things, including love, respect, flirtation, anger, fear, and rebellion. Therefore, be conscious of your body language when you interact with your wife. Don't send the wrong signals. Number 3. Don't scream and shout. When you and your wife have disagreements, you should avoid shouting and screaming. Shouting and screaming will never make a positive contribution to your marriage. Insulting names will not help either. So don't attack your wife with insulting names when disagreements occur. To strengthen your marriage, you should also study your wife and try to find out what makes her tick. The most effective way to begin this process is by asking questions. You should communicate with your wife and ask for her opinion about things. You should also ask about her dreams and goals, her interests and pleasures, her hurts and pains, and why she feels strongly about certain issues. If you are equipped with this kind of knowledge, you will be better prepared to minister to her when certain things occur. I believe you should also know what your wife likes and dislikes when it comes to shoes and clothes, so when it's time to buy a gift for her, you will be more confident when you go shopping. When it comes to food, you should know what she likes to eat. This will help you select the right restaurant when you plan a surprise dinner date. Find ways to compliment your wife as well. This is more important than many men appear to comprehend. In coaching sessions, I've heard countless women express their doubts about being attractive enough to keep their man from straying. If this is a fear that your wife secretly harbors, a compliment from you may help her feel more secure in your marriage. So, if your wife wears an outfit that you like, let her know. If you like the way she wears her hair, let her know. If you like the way she walks, let her know. If you like the way she talks, let her know. If you like the lipstick she wears, let her know. If you like the perfume she wears, let her know. Even though you may think it's trivial to comment on things like this, your words of affirmation will strengthen your marriage and may help your wife overcome secret fears she could have about losing you to another woman. Your affirmation may also help your wife resist the temptation to entertain other men who compliment her when she wears a nice outfit or tries a new hairstyle. And lastly, make time for your wife. With the threat of becoming a victim of corporate downsizing or your job being outsourced to an independent contractor or foreign country workforce, you are probably willing to put in long hours to protect your job. When one considers the rapidly changing workforce, going the extra mile to protect your job is not a bad idea. However, in the midst of this, you must not forget the importance of saving some time and energy for your wife. If you spend long hours at work each day and work overtime on weekends, sooner or later, your wife will begin to feel neglected and resentful. If you come home too tired to make love or too agitated about workplace responsibilities to cuddle on the couch with your wife, you need to stop and reconsider your priorities. I am not suggesting that you should neglect workplace responsibilities to rush home to be with your wife. That would be short-sighted and immature. However, if your work is demanding, taking a breather and getting away from the workplace may help you refresh your body and give you a chance to spend quality time with your wife. A weekend getaway, a midweek dinner date, or even a casual lunch may help reassure your wife that she is an important part of your life. Don't ever forget this. If you don't take care of your business at home, someone else will eventually volunteer to do your job. If Prince Charming gives your wife the attention she's not getting from you, she may be tempted to offer him the intimate moment she vowed to exclusively share with you. So prioritize your wife sometimes and pull away from your work and business appointments to give your wife your undivided attention. This personal development lesson is an excerpt from the book Manhood Challenge by Dr. David Stevens.